Welcome at Alphamantraining live videos. So it's raining, but still, still we do training, and I'm going to shopping mall to train a student, Alphamantraining, and girl texted. So I'm going to train him how to approach, how to remove approach anxiety, what to say when approach a girl, how to continue conversation, and actually other things which are necessary for cold approach pickup. I also talked with Patricia. We arranged to call to each other at 5 p.m. I met here yesterday, and we said let's exchange number, and I will call you. So I called here today, and so she said, I am not searching relationships. I want friendships. So I said, why do you want friendship with me? She said, you said like you dance salsa somewhere, something like that. So I talked to her, asked questions, and I gained information that actually it will be waste of time going to meet her. So I skipped here, ejected, and I go to train my student. And of course, at the same time, if I will see girls I like, I will approach because it's agreement in Alphamantraining. If a coach sees a girl he likes, so he can approach here. The student watches and films from outside if we have shooting systems. And it's raining. It's raining. But same with you. It doesn't matter, it's just another excuse. Just you can go and approach a girl you like. So yeah, pretty much that's it actually. And also at the shopping mall I will check coffee machines. I want to buy a small coffee machine to make a coffee, from caps. Just you put a cap inside a coffee machine, coffee runs down, and you just can drink. So my parents using that I really like, because I and my mom, we gave a present for my stepdad, that coffee machine, so we're still using that, and it's an amazing thing. And it gives energy also. I drank now Indian coffee before going to shopping mall, before driving to shopping mall. Because after the beach I'm very lazy. So that's it. So check out products. Definitely, if you didn't read our book, How to Become an Alpha Man, so go insert that book into cart. You can pay via American Express, Visa, debit, or even if you're using PayPal, so you can pay with PayPal. And start to read that book, then you will see how much knowledge you get and how you will start to change. So then you will gain confidence to actually buy more serious products like DVDs. The second product is become online training courses which train you different scenarios. For example, one girl walking, so you know how to approach here, what to talk. You will see videos how we do that. And our system is different from other PUA companies because we include a lot of dancing, talking, tone of voice, touching, um, pulling here on the same day, closing, other things which shortcut the process and give you much more better results. So, and also because all seduction methods are based on dancing, so you definitely must watch night game program How to Dance for Women. That program also will prepare you for night game. That's very important because at the evening you will go to night game. So after the session of evening game, I have student, and we will go to night game. So he watched that night game program How to Dance for Women. So now at the club or at the bar he will try to use that dancing system. I think it will be amazing. I think women will love how he will spin them. You know what is good about this country where I am? It's actually based on 2020 research. It's 54% women, 46% men. It's one of the best and most populated by women area in Europe. So that's very good. It means there's a lot of targets of women to approach. Okay, and once you will become better after a book, How to Become Alpha Man, after pick up online training courses, after 9-year program How to Dance for Women, you definitely will move to more advanced products like from approach to sex with 5 different girls, with from a process in the resort, and from approach to sex in a gym. And after those products you will move to same-day bank DVD. So that's the way it's waiting you, the path. And then you will come to real training. You will be prepared, you will be confident, and we will work much more easier. We will understand each other from half of word, what we're doing, and you will not be like missed boy on the street and you will walk. You will know what are you doing and how to do that, and you will be self-confident because you will be sure what to do. You will see a plan and you will execute. So the success is 100%. Every time we fly or anywhere we do training, it's 100% success because we spend 100% of time doing this. We spend 100% of time doing this, and that's why we become successful. Every time, anytime, any place we did Alphamantraining, it went successful. Maybe not on the first day, maybe not on the second day, but on third day, on fourth day, clients meet their dream girls, they gain confidence, and they say thank you, Alphamantraining. The Bobo is amazing, very nice place. I love its both office, both windows. That's nice. So I walk. The Bobo is really amazing because I made same delay yesterday, so I'm still kind of very, very lazy, and after I spread sperm, so a testosterone should regain his his amount into my balls. So that's pretty much like this, but it's summertime and most things are happening. Actually, same day lace they work during summertime, during winter time, during spring. It doesn't matter. It matters of you, how you look, how you talk, what systems you know, and how much you confident are. That matters if you will do same delay or not, but not the weather. So see you on my product lists. Invest, don't afraid, and save your time, because you getting older and older, and with each day you losing opportunity to meet those girls. If you're not meeting those girls, other guys, they are meeting and getting physical with them. So if you want to become alpha man, social ninja, so start to invest and don't afraid. See you.